ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். நம்மாழ்வார்ஸ் divine names. Number 9. Vakulabharana. Vakulabharana is a Sanskrit name. Vakula is a flower. In Tamil it is known as Magilampu. Alvar is known as Vakulabharana because he is decorated with this Vakula Malai always. That is why he is known as Vakulabharana. That garland itself is an ornament for Alvar. While glorifying Alvar, he is glorified as Vakulabharanam Vande Jagadabharanam Munim. I worship Vakulabharana, one who is having Vakula Mala, one who is decorated with Vakula Mala, and one who is an ornament for the entire world, for the Jagat. So such Alvar, I am worshipping such Alvar, says in this shlokam, Vakulabharanam Vande Jagadabharanam Munim. Just like Tulasi Mala or Vanamala is an important identity for Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, for Nammalvar, Vakula Mala is an important identity. Alvar himself identifies that he is decorated with this Vakula Mala. In Alvar Tirunagari Padigam, Ondrum Devum Padigam, in the end, in the last Pasuram, Alvar is saying, Aachayda Azhipirane Chernthavan, Vankurugur Nagara, Natkamal, Magil Malai Marbinan. This Magil Malai Marbinan is Vakula Mala, that is, Alvar is decorated with Vakula Mala. That is what is Magil Malai Marbinan. Alvar's divine chest is decorated with this Vakula Mala. Hence, he is known as Vakulabharana. That is 9th name. Then 10th name, Vakula Bhushana Bhaskara. We have already seen the meaning for Bhaskara. Bhaskara means sun. Sun eliminates the external darkness. Alvar eliminates internal darkness, that is ignorance. Now, how is that Alvar decorated? He is decorated with Vakula Mala. That is what is said in Vakula Bhushana Bhaskara. Vakula is Vakula Mala. Bhushana is ornament. Just like Abharana, Bhushana is also ornament. So here, Alvar eliminates our ignorance, and such Alvar is decorated with Vakula Mala. Magil Malai. We have already seen that. So that is the meaning for this name, Vakula Bhushana Bhaskara. Alvar Emberumanar Jiyar Tiruvadigaleswaran. ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.